Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll explore factors and highest common factor or HCF. You learn what factors are and how to find them and how to work out biggest factor and two or more numbers share, right? So by the end, you'll be able to take out HCF. I'll be also telling you a very nice trick with which you can easily solve for HCF. So let's go ahead and here we are. Okay. So factors and HCF. So you must be knowing about what factors are. Factors are number that divides any number completely and do not leave any remainder, right? So suppose factors of 6 are 6. I can write it as 1 times 6, right? Every number have two factors. Remember, one is 1 and another is number itself, right? I can write it here. Every number have two factors. First one is 1 and second one is number itself, right? So 6, I can write it as 1 times 6. Then I'll increase a number 2 times 3 or 3 times 2. I'll stop it here because after 4, 5, 6, I'll not get it. Okay, so these all are factors. 1, 2 and 3, I'll say they are the factors of 6. Okay, because each one divided by 6, 2 divided by 6 and 3, they do not leave any remainder. So this is how we can find factors, right? Another way to find factors, I told you with this table method, you'll start with 2 threes are and then 3 ones are. So this is the way you can find it. So 1 times 2 times 3. That is that table method which we learned in the LCM. So this is the most useful way, right? So 18 factors, most of them I'll tell you both the ways. 18, first of all, 18 will have two factors. For every number, two factors are fixed, 1 and 18. First one is 1 and the number itself. Another way is that I can write this thing as 2 times 9, right? Then 9, I can write it as 3 times 3. Keep on doing this until and unless you get 3 times, until and unless you get 1 as a factor. This is it. So all these are factors of 18. Okay. So 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, and their pairs also 2 times 3 times 3. So 6 times 3 is also a factors, right? So 18 have these factors 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 and 1. These are the factors of 18, right? 6, 9, uh, 18 and 1. These are the factors of 18. Another way of doing this thing is this way. Write 18 like this. 2 nines are 3 threes are 3 ones are 3 times 3 times 2. So you can take 9 times 2 also. Then you can take 6 times 3 also. Right. This is it. How you can write the factors. Okay. So this is it. Now, highest common factor. Highest common factor is a number that can divide two or more number exactly, right? There will be two numbers given to you and to say that highest common factor. So first of all, you have to write all the factors, and from those factors, the highest factor which is common in both the numbers, it's called as HCF. So let's try to see with the example. 18 I have. So 18 right now only you saw, you can write it as 3 times 3 times 2. This is how you can write 18. 27 you can write it as 3 times 3 times 3. Now highest number you can see common here is what? 3 times 3, 3 times 3. This is the highest number. So HCF of this is actually 9. HCF will be lesser than both the numbers, remember. This is how you'll find the HCF. Right? You can do by that table method also to find the factors and then find the HCF. Okay. Suppose if I have 9, 36 and 45, right? So 9, I'll factorize it. 9, I can write 3 times 3, then 3 times 1. Then 36, I'll factorize. I'll start with 2 times 18, then 2 times 9, 3 times 3 and 3 times 1. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3. Okay. Then 45 I can write 3 times 15, 3 times 5 and 5 times 1. 3 times 3 times 5, right? So what do I have in common? 3 times 3 I have here, 3 times 3 I have here, 3 times 3 I have here. It has to be common in all of them. So the answer is actually 9. Okay? 9 divide this, divide this, divide this, right? Okay, so this is it, right? Now, let me tell you the trick also. The trick here is that what you have to do that suppose two numbers are given 18 and 27. What you have to do, subtract the two numbers, 27 minus 18. You got 9. So either this number will be HCF, either this HCF or any factor of this. So here I'll check it. 9 divides 18, 9 divides 27 also. Yes, 9 is my HCF. That's it. So easily you can find HCF, right? 36, 9, 36 and 45, I'll subtract both of them, I'll get 18. Then I'll subtract both of them, I get 9. So either 18 will be HCF, either 9 will be HCF. I'll try to divide 9 by everyone. Yes, this is divisible, this is divisible, this is divisible, yes. When I try by 18, 9 is not divisible and even 45 is not divisible. So definitely 9 is the HCF. That's it. Subtract two numbers. Either that number will be HCF or some factor of it, right? Now 14 and 21 I have to find HCF. I'll subtract both of them. I get 7. Is 7 dividing 14? Yes. Is 7 dividing 21? Yes. So common factor it has is 7. That's it. All the factors you can easily write. So this is how you can find HCF so easily. Thank you.